I don't have much money, and I need it done fast.
When we look at this journey, it actually begins early on when we were born.
It's too expensive.
Hey man, I hear you. Tight budget and need ads fast? Don't sweat it. Haven't you heard of Higgsfield Marketing Studio?
Huh?
Don't overthink it. Nick is right. And if you're watching this right now, chances are you've been in that exact same stressful situation. Creating high-quality commercial video ads used to be a complete nightmare for creators and business owners. You really only had two choices. Either spend $15,000 to $40,000 hiring an agency, booking a studio, renting expensive cameras, and waiting weeks for the final edit, or try to do it yourself and end up with something that just doesn't convert. But everything has changed. The future of content creation isn't about who has the biggest budget or the fanciest camera gear anymore. It's about who has the right AI workflow. Today, I am going to show you a tool that is literally flipping the advertising industry upside down. It's called Higgsfield Marketing Studio, and it just got its biggest update yet. Powered by their state-of-the-art Seedance 2.0 model, this is the world's first true end-to-end AI ad production workflow. What does that mean for you? It means you can take a single product link, just a standard URL from Amazon, Shopify, or anywhere else, and turn it into a finished scroll-stopping video ad in a single session. No brief, no script writing, no director, and absolutely no agency fees. We are talking about 9 completely different professional ad formats. From hyper-realistic UGC videos where a consistent AI avatar holds your product and speaks directly to the camera, to cinematic unboxing videos, dynamic hypermotion graphics, and premium virtual try-ons. But here is the absolute best part, and the main reason I am making this video today. Marketing Studio just solved the hardest part of every single ad, the hook. You know that the first 3 seconds of your ad are the most critical, right? It's the make or break moment that decides if someone stops scrolling or swipes past you. Well, you don't have to guess or hire a copywriter anymore. The new built-in hook generator reads your product page and automatically writes those scroll-stopping opening lines for you, perfectly matched to the specific ad format you choose. If you are an e-commerce brand owner, a dropshipper, an AI marketing agency, or just a creator wanting to scale your content, this workflow is going to give you a massive unfair advantage.
Right now, Higgsfield is running a limited time launch offer, so there is a special link right at the top of the description and in the pinned comment. I highly recommend you click it right now, open it up, and follow along with me.
All right, enough talking. Let's jump straight into my laptop. I am going to show you exactly how this works. Wait, no, not this one. First, we will build a professional ad using just a product photo and an AI avatar. And then I will show you the ultimate cheat code, taking a simple Amazon link and turning it into a viral AI video ad. Let's dive in.
Here we are inside the Higgsfield dashboard. As you can see, they have a massive suite of AI creative tools, but we are here for one specific thing. I am going straight to the Marketing Studio. Let's click right here and open it up. This is where the actual production happens.
Here is the main workspace. Notice how streamlined it is. No complicated editing timelines, no messy menus. Everything you need to build a full ad campaign happens right here in this single horizontal control bar. Down below, you can see the gallery of the different formats we talked about: hypermotion, unboxing, TV spots. But let's focus on the generation engine. Let me give you a quick tour of how it actually works.
Let's start with the core inputs, the products, and the avatar tabs. I'll open the product tab first. This is where you define exactly what you're selling. You have the option to drop a direct link to your product or upload your files manually. As you can see, I already have an image of a men's watch uploaded here in the library, so let's choose that. Next, I'll open the Avatar tab. This provides a diverse roster of professional AI creators, and you also have the option to hit Create Avatar to upload your own custom persona. For this specific campaign, I am selecting Stefan. Now I'll hit the plus icon to unlock the rest of our options. This right here is your central asset library. Every image, logo, or file you upload gets stored here permanently. No wasting time re-uploading the same assets. Let's configure the scene. I am going into the UGC section. Notice how extensive this library is. These are diverse, ready-to-use video archetypes. I am selecting the product review format. This specific structure is built to establish immediate credibility and trust with the viewer. Next, we move to the Hook tab. This is exactly what we are focused on right now, and it is an absolute game changer. If you don't capture attention in the first 3 seconds, your ad is dead. This library gives you proven scroll-stopping openers. Instead of a standard setup, I want a visual pattern interrupt. I am selecting Camera Bump. It physically disrupts the frame in the very first second, forcing the viewer to stop and pay attention. Then we have this Settings tab, which dictates your environmental context. You have access to standard high-converting locations like modern offices or gyms, but I want to test the limits of this engine, so I am searching for and selecting Volcano Rim. This drops our creator right on the edge of an active volcano, an impossible extreme scenario designed specifically to hold viewer retention. Right next to it, I'll click this toggle icon to lock in our technical specs. I am setting the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical mobile feeds, bumping the quality to 1080p, and maxing out the duration to 10 seconds. No external editors needed. Finally, notice the text box at the top. I am not even typing a prompt. We are going to let the system automatically calculate the script and actions based purely on our selections. It is incredibly efficient. However, if you want complete granular control over the dialogue or actions, you absolutely have the option to write a custom prompt here. The inputs are set, the specs are locked. Now we just hit generate and let Seedance 2.0 do the heavy lifting. The generation is complete. Let's take a look at the final output.
300 meters water resistance, automatic movement, Hamilton Kappa Navy sub. Built for worse than this.
Here is the breakdown of the result. The video opens exactly with the camera bump hook we selected. You can see the immediate physical reaction from the avatar, which is the pattern interrupt designed to stop the scroll. The setting is the active volcano rim. Notice the environmental integration. The lighting and smoke effects match the scene realistically. More importantly, look at the product placement. The watch we uploaded is mapped directly onto the avatar's wrist with accurate proportions. The generated voiceover is direct and states the actual technical specifications of the product. All inputs, the physical hook, the extreme environment, and the custom product are combined into a single cohesive asset. That was the fully automated approach. It is fast and highly effective. But what if we want to dictate the exact physics, weather, and narrative of the scene? Let's do one more generation, but this time we are taking full granular control. Instead of a manual upload, I am starting by dropping a direct Amazon link for a Rappel travel umbrella right into the product tab. The system instantly pulls the product data. Now let's configure the scene. For the format, I am keeping it on unboxing. For the hook, I am selecting product hit. This means an object or element will fly into the frame to trigger a fast physical reaction. For the setting, I am choosing roofing for an open cinematic city backdrop. I am also going into the technical settings to bump the duration up to 15 seconds. This is the maximum length allowed, and it gives the AI enough time to execute the entire unboxing and reaction sequence without rushing the visuals. And for our creator, I am selecting Hana. Here is where the manual control comes in. Instead of leaving the prompt box empty, I am pasting a highly specific custom command. As you can see on the screen, I'm explicitly instructing the engine to create a heavy rainstorm, focus on realistic water physics, and show the avatar completely dry under the canopy. I am also adding a strict negative constraint. Strictly no text overlays, words, or graphics. We are forcing the AI to focus purely on the visual action. Everything is set. Let's hit generate. The generation is complete. Let's take a look at the final video.
Okay, you showed up at the right time. Windproof, waterproof, fits in your bag. Repel, I'm not going anywhere without it.
Let's break down this output. The execution is flawless. The product hit hook triggers right at the start, with that subtle reaction and lightning flash instantly grabbing attention. The roofing environment is photorealistic, but look at how perfectly it followed our custom prompt. The rain physics are incredibly accurate. The camera literally focuses on the water bouncing off the waterproof canopy exactly as we commanded, while the avatar remains completely dry. Furthermore, the generated voiceover dynamically pulled the actual selling points, windproof, waterproof, compact, straight from that Amazon link. And most importantly, the system respected our negative constraint. You are looking at a platform that gives you the ability to produce infinite variations of studio-grade, highly engaging video ads. It delivers maximum creative output and conversion potential with an absolute minimum of effort, time, and cost. It is an entire production agency packed into a single dashboard. If you found this technical breakdown valuable, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will be covering more advanced AI workflows that actually save time and generate revenue. Drop a comment below and let me know what specific product you would run through this generation engine first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.